Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Remy from Medbury Medical Services. Welcome to our education platform where we'll be talking about COVID-19 in 2 minutes. And today we'll be addressing some of the issues that we've had recently, especially for people who test positive and they don't believe it, especially because they do not have any symptoms at all and they've been extremely careful. So we'll be dealing with all these issues today. And today with me, I have here Dr. Johnson.
Hi, Remy.
Welcome here.
Thank you.
So it is not unusual for individuals who test positive to have mixed feelings from shock, anger, sadness, or even unbelief, especially with the fact that they do not have any symptoms at all and they have adhered to all the precautions. COVID-19 is not a respecter of gender, sex, socioeconomic status. Anybody could be infected. That little slip when you go to the mall or when you mishandle your face mask by moving it to your chin or putting your hands on your face could be that very point of entry of the virus.
Let me mention here that 80% of COVID-19 virus are asymptomatic. These are the super spreaders that are around us that can spread the virus from one person to another. It is therefore important that we all carry out preventive strategies for COVID-19 optimally.
Flip-flopping cases of positives and negatives are actually a thing that happens depending on the time and the stage of the infection. So it is not out of place for one to test positive and then test negative in a few days.
PCR test is not a perfect test. It is, however, the globally accepted test all around the world.
While there may be a margin of error depending on the sampling method, the sensitivity, and also the PCR kits used in different laboratories, false positives are actually lower than false negatives. As a matter of fact, false negatives are very dangerous because these carriers move around without even knowing they carry this virus, thereby transmitting to other people. So a positive outcome should be taken with utmost seriousness.
With the growing cases of COVID-19 in Nigeria, evident by the second wave as announced by the federal and the state government, it is important that we all err on the side of caution.
COVID-19 is not a death sentence. If you test positive to COVID-19, ensure you meet a health expert who can physically evaluate you and then manage you appropriately.
In the meantime, remember to please wear your mask, avoid crowded places, wash your hand, sanitize your hand, and please stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Watch out for our next vlog where we'll be talking about how you could choose the appropriate laboratory to get tested.